Yes, I am talking about Adobe stocks. Here you can see how much price is $265, and here you can see these stocks make today return only 2% approx. Here you can see these stocks in the last 5 days approximately 2% return. In the last 1 month these stocks make 19% return. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell the stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Here you can see how much return these stocks make in the last 6 months, how much return these stocks make in the last year to date return, and the last 1 year's return how much these stocks. Okay, here you can see 22% return. Okay, in the last 5 years these stocks make approximately 58% return, which is good. And here you can see last whole journey return, which is 1000x return. But last 5 years return, that is good or bad? Please comment below. Which is very poor return. Okay, and here you can see how much market valuation these stocks and how much PE ratio. PE ratio are good at this moment. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.